These are just Revlon lipsticks, so you can get these anywhere they sell Revlon lipsticks. I got 2 shades, and I got this one is not it. Hold on. Anyway, these are the 2 that I got. So I got Cherries in the Snow, which is a classic Revlon shade from the 50s. So I've been wanting it for a couple of years and I've been checking and haven't seen it. Like every time I'm out, I look, haven't seen it. This is the first time. I was like, I have to get it because I never see it and I really want it. I also have the nail polish, so yeah, it's a classic shade, so authentic vintage makeup look. It's a pretty red-ish, pinkish berry color. And then I got this one, which is Vampire Love, which I don't know, this might be a 90s shade, not really sure. It is very 90s. Like I put it on and my mom was like, 90s. It's actually, I'm wearing it. It's a little faded maybe and I have gloss over it. Nice, dark. It's really not even that dark. It's a darker red. And yeah, that's what I'm wearing. Ew. I feel like it doesn't even show up as dark. Like, yeah. But they also fade to a really pretty color as well. But they're really good. They stay nicely. I wore it to the gym and it like was still on my lips. So I really love these. Lipstick. I don't know if you can see. Okay. So I absolutely love these. I'm not a huge makeup person, but I like lipstick. I have been wanting Cherries in the Snow and I also wanted a darker shade so I could do darker looks. So yeah, I just absolutely love both of these. I didn't test them, I just bought them and then used them at home. I love them. This isn't too dark. I don't think it's too dark. There's actually a darker shade called Black Cherry, which I could be too dark, but since I don't think this is too dark, I might give it a try and go a bit darker. But yeah, I love these. Love them. Check them out. I love these. Like, I'm in love with these shades. I just absolutely, yeah, I'm so happy with them. So, love them.